video, back. And today I have another hair tutorial from IshowHair. And we have done our third collaboration. When I tell y'all, every time I get this hair, it's always super bomb, super magnificent, super silky. Just everything that I wanted. Like, you see these curls in the back? I didn't even do those curls. Like, I just put some in the front. And the back was just, it was just set. So they sent me a 20-inch closure. They sent me 3 bundles, a 20, a 22, and a 24. I was able to fit pretty much all of them in, but just a tad bit of the 20 was left out, just a little bit. But this quick and easy style, I literally made a wig in like 30 minutes and then applied it in like 10. Like, I swear, this wig is just so bomb. They gave me the bundles, I made the wig, and then, hey, the rest is history. I made a masterpiece out of it. So, if you want to see how this hair actually is, and if you want to see how this hair does with being flat iron, curls, you know, hot combs, all that stuff, then please continue watching my video. But first, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I made a quick weave wig. It was real easy. I just used the regular wig cap and I put it on my wig head, but I had to lay down a plastic bag first because you don't want to get the glue on the wig head. So that's what I did. But they sent me a 20-inch closure and they sent me 20, 22, 24 bundles. So your girl is about to put this on her head, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to install it and style it, because I've had IshowHair, like, this will be my 3rd time, and every single time, like, it never fails. Their hair is always bomb. Like, no reason to lie, no reason to pretend. IshowHair has some pretty amazing hair. This is my 3rd install with their hair, like I said. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to put this wig on and everything. So it looks like this, and it's pretty stretchy because, like I said, I did it on a regular wig cap. I didn't have the dome cap. You can do it on the dome cap if you want to, but I want it to be extremely flat, just like a regular quick weave install. So it looks like that in the inside because I put the glue and everything like that. But as you can see, like, the lace is really good. The lace is nice. It plucked nice. It's super soft. It came in a body wave texture. So I didn't wash it because I don't like to wash my weave. I know that sometimes, you know, some people do, some people don't, but I don't always wash it first. So I didn't wash it. It's just like this. It's long. It's pretty. And I'm going to just put some curls in it and just make it real cute. So let's just go ahead and put on this wig. So y'all, the wig feels so good and so lightweight, because, you know, sometimes the dome cap can just be too much and it's too scrunchy on the hair, like on the hairline and everything. I don't be liking all that. So I just did it the regular way. And you see how it's laying down? Like, this is no glue, no nothing. Like, look at that. No glue, nothing. So I'm just going to pull it up to my liking and everything like that. So it feels good. Everything feels great. And if you want to, for extra security, you see the flap right here, the black part, you can sew it around the perimeter. So literally, I was going to sew this down, but I just decided that I'm not going to sew it down. I'm going to just leave it like this because, you know, this is just my preference. But if you want to sew it down, you can. But what you want to do is braid your hair going down like this, connecting all the way to the back. That way, it's just easy to just sew it on there. But for me, like I said, I won't be sewing mine down today because I just don't feel the need to. And I just don't want to. The wig is not coming off. Nothing is going to come off at all. So I'm not going to do it. I was going to glue, but the way it's laying, I don't even need to glue it. Y'all about to see me work my magic on this, okay? I just want to show y'all how to style this hair and how beautiful this hair actually is. So I'm gonna do a middle part. Y'all know I'm a middle part girl, so I'm about to go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna perfect the middle part, and then I'm just gonna keep the video rolling, and y'all just gonna see me style this hair. So let's get right into it. Y'all know I love my wax stick. The wax stick, it just like helps you part the hair and everything like that. So I already bleached the closure and everything. As you can see, I be over bleaching because I do this method where you bleach it and then you pop it in the microwave. So sometimes when you do it, it bleaches it quickly, but then again, like it might over bleach your hair. But y'all are gonna see me perfect this whole entire part. Like, you're not even gonna know that I over bleached it or anything like that. So for now, I just want to go ahead and perfect the middle part, because what am I saying I'm doing the middle part for and it look like a little side part or schmiddle? A schmiddle part is when it's meant to be in the middle, but it's on the side and it just look crazy. That's not what I'm going for. I'm going for a middle part as crisp as I can, because sometimes I'm not the best with middle parts, and I'm not gonna pretend like I just be slaying middle parts, because sometimes I don't. So all right, we're gonna do it like that. Take our handy dandy hot comb and just hot comb it, like, I mean, lay it, slay it, girl, lay it. Okay, lay it like you never laid a wig before. Okay, y'all, this is really giving me no baby hair look, and I normally don't even do that, but the way I pluck this is really giving me no baby hairs. So I don't know, y'all, I might have to leave the baby hairs out on this one. But yeah, so just hot combing. We gonna hide those sides where it seemed like the you know, where you can see. We're just gonna hide that with the hair, but just keep hot combing until it's flat, exactly how you like it. So I'm just gonna keep hot combing, and if you need more wax or anything like that, just put the wax stick on it and hot comb. Make sure you covering the tracks in the back. Use a piece of the closure to cover the back tracks. So just like that. So she's pretty much flat how I like it. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead, brush her out, and then we're gonna pop in some cute curls. I'm not gonna do like a full head of curls, because I'm kind of going for just kind of like a wavish look. Like, I'm not really going for that deep curly, you know, baby doll curls. I'm not really going for that today. I just want to do some slight waves. That's it. But before we do that, I'm gonna try and perfect this part. So just look and learn how I do my part and how I'm gonna pluck it and apply the concealer and everything like that. So what you're gonna do is take your concealer, make sure it's a light shade, kind of like your scalp color. You don't want to put a concealer that's too dark, it's not gonna look right. So get a concealer that's like your scalp color. Okay, so literally this is what you do. Y'all, don't be scared. I know it's looking real crazy, but I promise you, just give me a second. All right, so you hold it, you take your spray, and you spray it just like that. So you see how the part just, it's like it became perfect as soon as you spray it. Like, that's the effect it's supposed to give you. So you can just perfect and clean up any messes or anything. Like, sometimes doing it on yourself, you might mess up, But literally just take that same brush, get you some more concealer, and you can just clean it up. Take your spray, your shining spray, because we don't want that matte, that too matte of a look. So just spray it, give it a little shine, and then hot comb it. Hot comb going down. Okay guys, so in the front, I'm just gonna spray a little Got2b spray just so this front area stays down and just how I like it. Alright guys, so just like that, I think that's pretty cool. Yeah, just like that. So now what we're gonna do is spray our hair, and then we just gonna throw in some nice waves in here. Alright y'all, so I told y'all I wasn't trying to do too many curls, just some cute little waves just to kind of blend it in with what the hair already came like, which was a wave. So I feel like this is perfect for what I'm going for. And now of course we're just going to perfect our hair and just get it exactly how we like. Okay guys, so she's almost done. Okay y'all, so I think we are done with our look, and this came out real cute. And you see it was real easy. So as soon as you make your closure wig and you install it, you good to go. You are good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tutorial on IShowHair. This hair is super bomb. This is like my third install. I'm so excited every time that we collaborate because this hair is just so amazing. The lace blended in so perfectly. I didn't even want to do baby hairs the way that it just came out. I really didn't even want to do baby hairs. So I hope you guys just really learned something from this video. A lot of people ask me, how is Ishow's hair and should I get from them? Like, should I get hair from them? Of course, why not? I literally show you guys full out the hair, everything. The packaging of it is decent. Everything is just bomb. So yeah, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys and I can't wait to see you in the next one.